Hi ladies and gents, welcome. Got a Seiko Coutura Radio Sync Solar watch and not sure how to set the time, whether your signal didn't sync or you're just adjusting for travel. This step-by-step guide will tell you how. So firstly, place the watch under a strong light or direct sunlight for a few hours to ensure it has enough solar power. Pull the crown out 2 clicks to the second position. The second hand will move to show the current time zone. Rotate the crown clockwise or counterclockwise to select your correct time zone. For example, New York City for New York, LAX for Los Angeles, etc. Press and hold the lower right button, which is A, for about 3 seconds to initiate a manual radio signal reception. Place the watch near a window facing the radio tower's direction. Syncing takes several minutes. If the signal fails or you're outside range, you can manually adjust the time. Rotate the crown to set the hour and minute hands. Then, confirming close by pushing the crown back in fully, the watch should now display the correct time. Also important info, Radio Sync may not work in some countries or buildings with thick walls. You can always manually adjust the time and daylight saving using the crown if sync fails. And that's how to set the time on your Seiko Coutura Radio Sync Solar. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech and watch tutorials. See you in the next guide.